Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
Hush not, child, and don't cry.
Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. In this lesson I'm going to show you 3 easy chords that you can use to play Move On Up by Mayfield. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. Our 3 chords are going to be a G major chord, an A major chord, and a B minor 7 chord, played like that. We'll play a G chord by using an F form here at fret 3, holding down the B string and high E string, the G string at fret 4, and the D string at fret 5. We'll strum that from the D string. We'll raise it by 2 frets for an A, and we'll get a B minor 7 chord by just laying down the ring finger like that on the D, G, the B, and high E strings. That's B minor 7. So we've got these 3 chords. There are several strumming variations in this song, but I'm going to show you the one that I like using. Starts here at our A chord, starting with our A chord, we'll do a down up. We'll move to our G chord, up, 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 down. Back to our A chord, down, up, and then we'll move to our B minor 7 chord, up, 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 down. Starting over. And that's our strumming pattern.
Toward your destination, though you may find from time to time complication.
And we can strum these 3 easy chords that way to get us through the entire piece. That's Move On Up by Mayfield on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.